tear gas at the Bobby Wine rally before he's even inside. We're hearing that sound like live shots. There was tear gas in every direction. Tear gas in every direction. It's really become a chaotic scene. And this happens at every Bobby Wine